In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to log into your Exness trading account directly from the MetaTrader 5 platform and be ready to place trades, monitor charts, and manage your positions. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is already installed and open on your computer. You should be on the main MetaTrader 5 window, where you can see the menu bar at the top, with options like File, View, Insert, and so on. To begin the connection process, move your mouse to the top left corner and click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to accounts and platform settings. From this list, look for the option that says Open an account and click on it. This will open a new window where you can add or connect trading accounts. In this new window, you'll see a search field where you can look up your broker. Click inside that search box and type Exness. Give it a moment and MetaTrader 5 will search for the Exness trading servers associated with your region or account type. Once the list appears, select the Exness server that matches the account details you receive from Exness. If you're unsure which server to choose, check the account information provided in your Exness personal area. The correct server name will usually be indicated there. After selecting the appropriate Exness server, you will be asked what type of account connection you want to create. Here, you want to connect an existing account rather than opening a new one. So, choose the option that says Connect with Existing Account. This tells MetaTrader 5 that you already have an Exness trading account and just want to log into it from this platform. Next, you'll see fields for your login credentials. Carefully type in your trading account login and your password exactly as they were provided to you. Be sure there are no extra spaces before or after your login or password, and double check that caps lock is not accidentally turned on, since passwords are case sensitive. Once your login details are entered correctly, follow any remaining on-screen prompts. MetaTrader 5 may briefly show a connection status in the bottom right corner